Good morning guys from Bali, Indonesia. Today we're going to be hiking Mount Batur, which is one of the top things to do here in Bali. We're actually literally in the middle of nowhere. Kind of feels like we're on a different planet. There's like molten lava that's dried around everywhere. And we've driven around 2 hours to get here. I'm here with the gang. We've got the usual squad.
Hello, hello, good morning.
And we've got a couple of the other guys. There's like 9 of us. 9 of us?
Yes, I believe so.
And of course the tour guide.
Hello.
You going to be clothed like that the whole way up? Is that the usual attire for the hike?
Everybody.
Yeah. And so yeah, guys, really excited to get up there, and we're going to start the journey now.
I heard there's actually chicken thighs at the top. You would not believe it. Voila.
All right, guys, let's get on with it.
Today, I should welcome everybody to the source of the island. Well, we're gonna do a little ceremonies, by the way, guys. As you know, in Bali, that's all we do. Celebration, ceremonies, traditions. I'll start with a little story that I used to tell to the people about the volcano in the mountain in Bali. Is considered to be a very important part of our life.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Humba, humba, humba!
Finally. Are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready.
Let's go.
Okay, you can follow him. Yeah.
All right, guys, the hike begins now. We did a little ceremony at the start, and now we've got like a 2-hour hike up in pitch black, but it's really enjoyable. Nice temperature. Looking forward to it. Feeling good. All right, guys, we are like half an hour into the hike. It's not really we're not really inclining that much, but it's cool. It's cool. And actually, I'll take you guys to the front soon, because we've got the tour guide. He's playing the guitar whilst walking and singing. Like, it's literally like the most Bali vibes I've ever seen. But I love it.
Barefoot.
Super cool. Yeah, I'll show you guys in a minute. What do you think of the hike, mate?
Oh my, it's one of the most challenging hikes I've ever been on. And let me tell you this, we're gonna get to the top, I don't know how.
We're walking on Mars.
I sound like Luke there, don't I?
Yeah, how was the Aussie accent there? Wait, I'll do mine.
Good.
Good day, mate. I'm just walking through the creek and I'm gonna play some cricket.
Oh shit, here the Brits are coming to invade us again. Like they do with every country.
Pesky Brits. You know this one, bro?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a classic, bro. Let's hear you sing it.
Here we go, my brother and sister. The journey is about to begin. Let's set our mind, body, and energy ready for the celebration ahead of us. Yeehaw!
Oh man, climbing the mountain barefoot, absolute legend, singing the whole way. That is a vibe.
You gotta do that next, bro.
I think I'm gonna bring my guitar on the next hike.
Yeah, exactly. And no shoes, bro. You gotta leave those at
No
home.
shoes, definitely no shoes. Alright guys, I'm not sure if you can see very well, but the terrain has just got significantly harder to climb. It's almost like sandy, but also quite an incline. So I've never really done a hike like this in terms of just the terrain, but it's good. Good fun, gonna be worth it, and the views are gonna be incredible. As we're like finishing the climb, you can probably see on the screen the steam. Honestly feels like I'm in like a steam room. So unique, you feel like the warmth. This is absolutely incredible. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys this is like a live volcano, I believe. So whoa, it's pretty tricky. Look at this, guys, we've got a natural steam room. Oh my god, that's so hot. Oh, it's fogging up the camera. That is incredible. The man's still singing. He's actually been singing the whole way. Is this the top? Oh, this is the kitchen. Oh yeah, that's warm.
Eggs going in there.
What eggs are they?
They're Cadbury. Eggs.
Chocolate egg.
Yeah.
We made it, guys. You can kind of just see the start of sunrise. It's like orange, and you can see the clouds. Obviously it won't show on camera, but give it a little bit and you'll be able to see it.
Go team!
Well done,
Yes.
well done.
Thumb. She
Yes.
broke her thumb.
Made it!
Let's
oh
go.
My gosh.
That happened.
And 1 cup of red wine.
Thank you, sire.
Hello, Bali! It's been a while! Woo! Wow!
Whoa, we got a wild
That was a cat impression.
Oh, there we go. We started something. Hello!
I am your emperor!
Your emperor has arrived!
What do you think of the views, guys?
Yeah, the views are for the gods!
Yeah.
Give me 1 cup of red wine with the enemy's blood!
Fucking crazy. Crazy American over here.
Mighty throne for some mighty young lads!
Kingdom of Bali.
We're going up the mountain.
Bali, Indonesia,
Well-
island of gods.
We are literally high on like dopamine.
Exactly.
Yeah guys, so I haven't really explained too much like the location of where we are. So we got, this is all obviously Bali. We got Lombok is the island you can see in the distance, and then Canggu, where we live, is over there. And so we can see the whole of Bali surrounding. It gives you a little idea of like the size of this island. So cool to see.
Yeah.
Thank you, Maddie,
Yes, you're
for
welcome.
helping us up.
Yes.
Absolute legend. How many times do you do this? Like do you do this once a day?
Here
Yeah, every day?
we take the before the COVID-19 we take the every day.
Every day.
Yes.
Whoa.
From 1 month last go, we take the every day also.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
very healthy and very. It's
Yes.
really good for
That's
really
right.
good for you. And yeah, now you can see proper like valleys. It's like actually just as beautiful this side as it is this side. Now it's kind of overexposed, but just like incredible. Just like taking it in, enjoying the moment, living in the present. Might meditate a little bit actually. And, yeah, there's actually so much more to come. We're gonna go to a hot spring. We're gonna have some breakfast, and yeah, just enjoying it with some great company. What do you guys think of the views?
Oh my god,
Yeah?
insane. Dude.
I have to say thank you to Mana for arranging this, especially with the broken
Oh
hands.
my god, this
Commitment.
is literally the biggest reward. I'm so grateful everyone came out.
I Such a good idea.
I know, seriously, it worked
So
out.
amazing.
Such a good idea. Like these things, like when I woke up, I was not wanting to do it. But,
Oh
like,
my god.
The
being
whole
up here-
time I was like, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When is it
Yeah,
worth
yeah,
it? It's not worth it yet. And then now I'm like, okay, it's worth
As
it.
soon as you get up here, everything is worth it.
So worth it.
So yeah, thank you so
Yes.
much. So yeah.
Hello there, Saya. Looks like it's pretty busy on the other side of the rock.
Ooh. So we're just heading back to the spot where we left the guide, and he's still singing. He's been singing the whole journey, and he's still singing.
Screwed up, you guys.
So this kind of gives you a better idea of what we were climbing up before. It's fairly steep, and it's actually just as hard going down as it is coming up, but
That's because you have a chicken thigh in your body there,
oh
Saya.
yeah, we need one. We need one. Oh my god. So whilst we've been up at the top, they've been cooking in these steam holes. They got fruits, they got cacao. I'm not sure what else, but it's just such an incredible experience.
Hour and a half.
So he removes it and it's just all cooked. Very hot?
Yes.
Woo! Ooh yeah. Chocolate eggs?
Yes.
The happiest man in all of Bali. Ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ha.
No, I want to do it.
Yeah, let's go. Ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh, ha, ooh,
Okay, guys. Ta-da! How do you do it? Oh, just hold that.
Is it really, really hot?
It is hot.
Very, very hot.
That is what you call breakfast.
That was
From a
ninja though.
volcano.
It's like every time it went in, he came out with one. I'm like,
Alright guys, we've got a nice little feast on the top of the mountain. We've got some, I guess it's like boiled banana, steamed banana, cacao. Oh yeah? Oh, thank you so much.
The legend with the cacao.
Thank you so much. Oh, let's get a little taste test.
Ladies first.
Ooh, it's like a hot chocolate, kind of. Really tasty. And as I was saying before, we got fruits. So many fruits.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy. Got some.
I never realized how many inside jokes until we're around other people.
You don't even have to explain it, it's all good.
Don't explain that one.
This is the brown sugar.
I don't even know how to explain that one. Like, I
No.
feel like
It's fine.
A lot of them are dad jokes. Right, I'm going for the banana.
I'm gonna spear one.
It's an egg.
Oh, nice. How is it, sire?
G quadruple OD.
Looks like you're eating a chicken thigh there.
Oh, it's not a chicken thigh.
You wish.
But it do be dang.
Oh yeah. That's incredible. So warm. Great chef. It's the Indonesian Gordon Ramsay. Very good cooking, guys. Alright guys, after a nice little lunch slash, no not lunch, breakfast even. And we also had a little nap up there because we were all so tired. We're now descending slash sliding down. You all good, bro?
For the second chicken thigh. We've successfully retained the first chicken thigh of our kingdom. But it is time to reclaim what is ours.
Oh yeah, baby. And now you guys get to see what we were climbing up earlier. Obviously it was terrible visibility earlier. Now you get to see. There's like, yeah. Yeah, we had no idea what we were kind of coming into. But that's probably for the better. I'd say it was like a moderate climb, but it was good fun. All right, everyone's running, so I guess we're gonna have to go for it. Whoa! Oh, I'm getting so much sand in my shoes. Here he is! I wasn't lying when I said he's singing the whole way. Wanna lay in my bed. It's crazy. Look at this, guys. You can see the molten lava, dried molten lava is all like the black. Yeah, this is like an old not an avalanche, an old explosion of lava. Eruption, that's the word. Alright, this is where things get interesting. My shoes are fitting. I'm basically skiing on the lava. Oh my god. You literally can't stop. Oh my god.
And he has survived it.
Is that everyone? Oh my god. Alright guys, fast forward a little bit and we finished up and we are heading to a little coffee spot to get back the energy that we've lost. How would you rate that out of 10, like in terms of difficulty?
Oh, difficulty? I'd probably give it like a 6.5 or 7.
Okay, not too bad.
Not too bad. It was doable, you know. Worked up a little bit of a sweat.
Yeah.
Mixed that with the steam coming off the volcano.
Yeah, I'd probably say it's like a 7 or an 8. It was moderate.
Well, how do you rate Mount Everest then?
Well, we'll find out when we're doing it, bro.
That'll be a 20.
Yeah. Alright guys,
I'll come back every year and I'll...
not really too sure why, but we've just stopped and we're going into the forest to plant an avocado tree. Because why not? Why wouldn't you go into the forest and plant an avocado tree? It makes.
Sire's down.
Man down. As I was saying, it makes perfect sense.
Should we have a ceremony?
2006. Yeah, we will in a moment.
Ooh, ha. Alright, so it's just digging.
I mean, I hope that you can guys be part of it. I really hope so. We can share the message together, guys.
Amazing.
Well, please, can you join me here?
Oh, go down.
No, just here. We're just gonna say let's plant trees and then that's it. And I'm gonna plant the trees down. I need you guys to be the model.
Alright guys, just to finish it off, we've come to a little coffee shop with these incredible views. I'm guessing, I'm not too sure which one we climbed, but it's very busy. Alright guys, we got teas, we got coffees. Looks like it's in like a scientific beaker. You got your science experiment, bro?
You already know which one's mine. This one? You ready to see this?
Chug, 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 chug,
my
chug,
gosh.
chug, 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 chug,
my
chug,
God.
chug, 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 chug.
I wanted it that bad.
Another coffee.
These girls are just getting used to us being weird. I'm not gonna chug mine. I'm gonna enjoy it. Alright guys, just a little sip.
Oh yeah, we did. Because we filmed all of Jordan and Pakistan together.
Oh really nice. It's got like chocolate flakes at the top as well and ice.
So, like, a lot of
So nice. Look at the view. Absolutely beautiful. Best pizza in Bali.
But I really like it.
Yeah, the food here has been a little bit disappointing. I had bolognese. I mean, obviously I had it. It was decent, got the job done, but not the best thing I've ever had. But the views make up for it. The views make up for it, and the company makes up for it. Yeah. This guy needs to get some more sleep.